In this video, I want to show you how to start a YouTube channel on a budget, which means you don't need any of this.
YouTube Simplified.
Hi, and welcome to Creative Fundamentals. My name is Dan Courier, and it is my mission to simplify YouTube so you and I can grow together. So you're looking to start a YouTube channel, and either you don't have a lot of money or you don't have money that you can put towards buying fancy equipment to get started on making videos. So in this video, I want to let you know exactly just how much money you need to spend to be able to start a YouTube channel. Coming up. All right, so we're going to need a camera, maybe a DSLR, some overhead lighting, some tripods, green screen. No, you don't need any of that. To get started on YouTube, this is all you need, and I'm going to show you how. So first, I just want to say that the first 100 videos here on Creative Fundamentals was made with one of these. And even though I kept this for 100 videos, I was still able to improve my quality over time. So a lot of people, when they're talking about starting a YouTube channel and they're going to be using your phone, what you see a lot of people end up doing is this. And they're talking to their phone and they're moving it all around. And that's great. Maybe you're trying to do vlogs or whatever. But if you want to start to focus on making better quality YouTube videos with just your phone, there's a couple things you can do to help yourself out. Number one, when you're recording, this is your camera, and whenever possible, you want this to be as stationary as possible. That means if you're in a situation like this where you're talking to the camera, you don't really want to be holding it up here and moving it around and making your audience seasick. What you can do if you want to spend absolutely no money, you can find a place to balance this up or lean this up against something. If you have one of those little pop stands, that can be good enough. You just want to get it at a level that you can talk to, preferably just above eye level, which creates a nice view rather than having it down and staring down at your phone. That's usually never a good look on those types of videos. So you get it up, you position it somewhere just above eye level, and then you take your hands off it and you talk to it. If you do want to invest a couple bucks, you can spend as little as $16 and get yourself a really nice stand with a mini tripod and a phone holder that looks a little something like this. All right, so this is one variation of what this can look like. It's basically two parts. You have your tripod here, and then you have this phone stand that just screws on to the top of a tripod, which is referred to as 1/4-20. It's just the standard screw that comes on these types or basically anything that you mount a camera to. So you get yourself a mini tripod. There's a ton of variations on these, and they're dirt cheap. I'll throw links in the description. You can get them for like $7 or $8. And then you grab yourself one of these, and it's basically, its only purpose is to hold your phone and be able to connect it to an actual tripod. These are also $6, $7, $8 maybe, and between the two of them, you can do a lot more than you can by just holding your phone. So the other thing that's really important when you're recording your videos is lighting. As you can see in my current setup, I actually have a light behind the camera that I've purchased over time as I began to upgrade the types of equipment that I'm using here on Creative Fundamentals. But when you first start out, you can create almost the same effect by using natural lighting. So if you're indoors and you want to get some natural lighting, try to find a window and use that as your light source. Now, the way you want to do that is you don't want the light to be behind you. I see a lot of people standing in front of a window, and that's not really the way you want to go. You actually want to position your camera in front of the camera so you're looking at the open window and talking to the camera. That's going to light up your face and make it stand out against your background. And if you don't have the greatest camera, good lighting can really compensate for less than stellar video quality. So you have your stationary camera, you have good lighting, you're watching other videos to learn exactly how you should put your content together and how you can optimize it for YouTube. And then you have to edit that video once you've recorded it. Now, if you have one of these, you can go a long way using iMovie. It's free to download, and I'll put a link in the description below if you don't have it already, but it's a great way to make videos on your iPhone. And if you're on Android, there's a variety of apps, but I think probably one of the better apps that you can look at is KineMaster. I believe it does cost a few dollars to actually make the purchase, but it's well worth the upgrade. And the most important thing on trying to grow your channel on a budget or otherwise is to get yourself recording videos and get your videos uploaded to YouTube. Go through the process, make a video, and upload it. Don't worry whether the quality is as good as you want it to be. There'll be plenty of time for you to develop your skills and improve quality over time. Plus, in a few months or a couple of years, it'll be fun to look back at what your original videos look like and be amazed and be pleased at how much progress you've made over that time. And hey, if you want to make it even easier to grow your YouTube channel, I want to remind you that this video is sponsored sponsored by TUBEBUDDY. TUBEBUDDY is the #1 browser plugin for managing and growing your YouTube channel. It's available to download for free, and there's a link in the description below. I hope you found this video helpful. If you would like to receive future notifications on videos that help simplify YouTube, make sure you're subscribed to the channel and you've clicked that bell notification icon so you don't miss a thing. That's all the time we have for today. My name is Dan Courier and you're watching Creator Fundamentals. Thank you.